Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Drive and signing into the account that holds the images you want hidden. Once signed in, locate the photos or the folder and select them. Use Shift or Control, CMD for multiple items. Next, create a new folder labeled for private content, then move the selected files into it. This centralizes control and prevents scattered visibility. Make sure the folder's default sharing is set to restricted, so no one gains access automatically. Once done, open the folder's details panel and choose Manage Access to see every person and link that can view the contents. Remove any shared links by disabling link sharing entirely, and confirm the folder is set to restricted so only explicitly added accounts can open it. Then, change viewer settings. Turn off viewers can download and revoke or downgrade permissions for any user you don't trust. This prevents inadvertent copies and reduces exposure across devices. To finish, reconfirm who is on the shared with list and verify you remain the owner. Transfer ownership only when necessary. Then review the activity pane to ensure there were no recent opens or downloads you didn't expect. If files still appear elsewhere, pause Drive for desktop and force a resync, or clear the app cache on mobile. This often fixes stale visibility. If problems persist, remove and re-upload the files into a new restricted folder to reset all sharing links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.